Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for David in Maryland on the Ranger RCI-2995DX CF. David, what does the Truckerized package mean on a unit like this? Well, let's start off. You get the ultra bright white LEDs in the meter, the tuning alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrade, power supply upgrades, wide banding of the transmit receive. You're getting a static 636L mic, as well as an adapter to run it and any other 4-pin mic you want to run. Let's just get right to it here. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug, 5 watts all the way down. That way if you decide to run an amp, you got full adjustability. 40 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. About 78 bird. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1 2 1 2. Hello. About 190 watts PEP. Go over here to sideband. It's always a little less on sideband. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. About 180 on sideband. All right, David. We're gonna get this out to you, bud. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You've been truckerized. Bump bump.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.